Hello everyone, this is Robert from Hayquist and Eck. I hope you're all healthy and safe and staying indoors. But if you need to go outside, please remember to keep your social distance from others. I just wanted to take a few minutes to talk to you about the Coronavirus Aid, Relief, and Economic Security Act, otherwise known as the CARES Act that passed last week. And one of the provisions of this act you might already be aware of, which is the payments that will be made to taxpayers. Specifically, if you're an individual taxpayer and you made under $75,000, you'll be entitled to $1,200. Now that payment phases out for individual taxpayers that earned up to $99,000. Similarly, if you filed a joint income tax return and you made less than $150,000, you'll be entitled to a $2,400 payment. And that payment phases out for folks who filed a joint income tax return and earned up to $198,000. Additionally, you'll be entitled to an additional $500 for each child you have. You might be asking, when can I expect to receive these payments? If you already have your direct deposit information with the IRS from a previous tax return, the IRS will directly deposit this in your account probably within the next 2 or 3 weeks. Now, if you don't have that information with the IRS, a check will likely be mailed out to you. However, at this point, it's uncertain when that check will be mailed. You might also be asking yourself, especially if you're a California resident, what am I supposed to do with $1,200? And you're especially asking yourself that question if you've recently been laid off, or you're furloughed, or you've been terminated as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. Well, fortunately, the Act also provides for extended unemployment benefits, which Senator Chuck Schumer discussed as unemployment on steroids. And it really is. It allows for unemployment benefits for up to 39 weeks. And the first 4 months that you're on that unemployment, the federal government will give you an additional $600 in addition to what the state is already providing to you. Even better, these unemployment benefits will apply even if you are self-employed, if you're an independent contractor, or you're a gig economy worker, such as if you're driving for Uber or Lyft, which is really great because it's going to apply to all Americans that are falling on hard times right now, and they're really going to need the money. If you want to know more about the CARE Act, the text of the CARE Act is posted online, so I suggest that you read it. However, it is fairly long, so if you don't want to read through all of it, there are plenty of news articles and resources online that will tell you about more parts of this act. Additionally, we have posted a blog about some of the more important parts of the act as they apply to employees. You can find this blog at our website at haelaw.com. Additionally, if you have any other questions regarding the COVID pandemic and how this affects your employment, take a look at our website at haelaw.com, where we have a whole page devoted to your COVID-related questions. Thank you very much. Take care, and I'll see you on the other side of the curve.